Hi, my name is Vladimir. Attention! A virus has been detected in the studio. Today, I'm going to tell you about a bacteria UV sterilizer. This device destroys any viruses and bacteria. Do you want to know how? Stay tuned. UVC series bacteria UV sterilizers by I4 technology destroy all pathogens contained in the air using ultraviolet light. UVC 2 and 3 models are also capable of disinfecting surfaces via safe ozonation. Install one of the sterilizers at home in order to prevent viral, allergic, and infectious diseases. Even if your relative or roommate gets ill, the device will disinfect the air, not leaving viruses a chance to spread. Disclaimer, by the way, the device can destroy umbrella-made viruses too. Install the sterilizer in public places, be it in an office space or industrial premises, to use it as a preventative measure during pandemics. This is the UVC-1 sterilizer. It disinfects the air using strong ultraviolet type C. Now, how does it work? There are 3 types of ultraviolet: A, B, and C. The strongest type is C. Only UVC is capable of killing bacteria and viruses promptly and effectively. This emission is so powerful that it can destroy the membrane of any microorganism and damage its DNA. As a result, bacteria, viruses, and fungi are exterminated. Sounds simple, doesn't it? Does it mean that any ultraviolet lamp can be effective? No! First of all, ultraviolet can be very dangerous. In close contact, strong UVC emission causes oncological diseases, burned skin, and eyes. So, the sterilizer must be a closed type. Secondly, viruses die only if they're exposed to the influence of emission for a certain period of time. A special circulation system doesn't allow the air to leave the sterilizer until it's disinfected. The white coating of the device contains titanium dioxide that additionally oxidizes pathogens on the housing under the influence of ultraviolet. The effective disinfection area of the device is 20 square meters, which makes it a good solution for apartments and small rooms. Wall mounting is the most convenient way to install the device. If it's not possible, then put the device on a shelf or a cabinet at least 1.5 meters above the floor. It's essential that an electrical socket is nearby, and nothing prevents the air from entering the sterilizer. UVC 2 and UVC 3 sterilizers not only disinfect the air, but additionally ozonate it. Ozone is a powerful, natural oxidizer, which destroys all pathogens contained in the air and on various surfaces. Ozone is 300 times stronger than chlorine, and it may cause harm if concentration is too high. Still, in permissible amounts, ozone is safe for people and is often used in medicine and cosmetics. UVC series bacteria sterilizers operate within safe limits, according to quality protocols, so they can be used in living areas with people present. This is how the device operates with the ozonator. Ozone molecules form in the sterilizer, then get released into the air and kill all pathogens. If you have children that put everything in their mouth, or you have pets, then the sterilizer is a must. Forget about worms and E. coli. Bacteria will die even if penetrated deep in a pet's fur. Also, ozone eliminates odors. The air becomes so pure that it smells like after a rainstorm. This is due to the fact that ozone molecules, after 20 minutes, turn into pure oxygen. Effective disinfection area of UVC 2 is up to 50 square meters, whereas for UVC 3, this number reaches 150 square meters. Both devices can be used in offices and other public places. Their operating modes are UVC 2, UV disinfection plus ozonation, long UV disinfection of the air and surfaces plus ozonation, UVC 3, UV disinfection, long UV disinfection of the air and surfaces plus ozonation. The third mode is extreme disinfection via ozonation. It allows to promptly disinfect your room to a complete extent. For instance, it could be a hospital serving COVID patients, an operating theater, or any area crowded with sick people, which needs to be disinfected in just 30 minutes. Warning: it is prohibited to stay in the room with the device operating in this mode. Ultraviolet lamps used in UVC series sterilizers are power efficient. Their operational life is up to 5 years depending on the frequency of use. Dead lamps are easy to replace with just a screwdriver. There are many ultraviolet lamps available on the market. However, we recommend using ours as they're manufactured according to international quality standards and have certificates of conformity, meaning that they are completely safe. Well, the sterilizer has been on for quite a while, and I feel that the air has already become much more fresh. While the whole world wears masks trying to protect against viruses, you may breathe fresh and safe air using UVC series devices. Visit i4 Technology's website to get full information and ask questions about the UVC family of bacteria sterilizers. Contact us via any convenient means, and we'll make sure that there are no viruses or bacteria around you.